Hey everybody, Casey O'Toole here, co-founder and CEO of MyLinkedSolution. I am so excited to be here to present to you about why LinkedIn is so important to help you grow during and position yourself for growth for after COVID-19 blows over. MyLinkedSolution is a system that helps our clients leverage the power of LinkedIn to capture market share. MyLinkedSolution is able to generate business on a daily basis without you having to lift a finger. Now, the big question we get is, why LinkedIn? Well, let me give you a few reasons why. First of all, let me tell you why not Facebook, okay? Facebook is a great platform to post cat videos and to generate leads that are really cheap. However, those same leads are clicking on links from 12 other agents because Facebook has an algorithm that puts those ads in front of people who have a higher propensity of clicking on links. So you're competing with 12 other agents. We start organic conversations with real people. I like to say that LinkedIn is where you go to find clients, where Facebook is where you go to just find leads. LinkedIn is an absolute gold mine, and I want you to take advantage of it.
Majority of people in this room. For the last year, I've been yelling on LinkedIn and many other platforms that LinkedIn is a really good place to put content. LinkedIn right now is going through a Facebook 2012 moment. You right now have a business or trying to build a profile or trying to communicate something to the world, have no followers on LinkedIn, produce content, and the organic reach and consumption is remarkably high.
LinkedIn is also where professionals are. So again, there's no cat videos being posted. This is where CEOs, executives, founders, owners, partners, directors, engineers, where everyone is on LinkedIn to do business. Right now, especially, people are accessing LinkedIn on a daily basis to try and find more accurate information about the market. They're looking for professionals to give them advice on what to do about their investments, to where they should be looking about the future trends of the real estate market. They are looking for information. That's what LinkedIn is all about. And we help you leverage it. LinkedIn is an incredible place, and I want to show you how we can help you generate more business now and after COVID-19 passes through. So let me just give you a breakdown of what our system does. So effectively, our system syncs with your LinkedIn profile. We're then able to find all of these targeted prospects. So we're able to find healthcare workers, doctors, physicians, attorneys, whatever you want to reach out to, technologists. There's some companies that haven't been as affected about this COVID-19. Technology is one of them. We can help you find people that are in the information and technology industry who have 10 or more years of experience and 10 years in the current company who have the senior level executive titles. So senior, founder, partner, owner, director, all of those key titles. And we say, hey, first name, I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing amongst all this chaos. You know, I'm getting a lot of my clients calling me asking about their real estate investments, and I wanted to offer the same sort of resource to you. Do you have any investments you want to be talking to me about? Do you have any questions about the real estate market that I can help you with? If so, schedule a call with me. We can do a quick Zoom call. Whatever you want to offer, you want to come from contribution and establish this relationship. From there, people start responding on a daily basis. And you don't have to lift a finger until after they reply. Literally, you log into LinkedIn once a day, check your replies, and reply to the good ones, right? So if they say, no, thanks, not interested, go to the next. If they say, wow, you know, now is not the best time, but once this blows over, I'm looking to buy a home. I'm looking for $1 million home in Beverly Hills, whatever it might be. We start those for you, and all you have to do is follow up, set appointments, and convert them as sales. Or alternatively, you can use this for recruiting or agent attraction. We have a ton of agents on our team, on our client list, that are using our system to recruit agents on their team. So what is it that you have to offer that separates you from the rest? Are you getting thousands of leads and you have ISA setting appointments and you need agents to help close them? That's a great value. See if other agents want to join your team. Are you part of a brokerage that has a virtual world and tons of training and coaching, and tell them that and see if they want to switch brokerages. You know, basically people are on LinkedIn looking for opportunities, and we're able to find them, find realtors, find brokers, find people in the real estate industry, and present them what you're offering and try and, again, establish appointments and convert them to a recruit. So whether you're looking for buyers or sellers or trying to recruit other people onto your team, you can use our system to do that. These are our average results, okay? Our average client gets over 600 plus connections on LinkedIn every single month. 600. Imagine if you have 500 connections to start, you'll be having 1,100 connections, 1,700 connections, 2,300 connections, month over month over month. And that accumulates, and those stay in your system, in your network forever, okay? Those 600 plus connections lead to about over 100 conversations. These people who are replying to your value prop message saying, no thanks, not interested right now, I'm kind of busy. But every now and again, one of those replies says, great timing, I would love to buy a house. I'm busy now, but reach out to me in a month. Boom, set that appointment for a month now, and then convert them to a sale. Our average client's getting 3 to 10 appointments with new clients every single month. Imagine how that pays off. You know, you make one sale and that pays for our system for a full year or two. So let me kind of give you some examples of some of our top clients. Lindsay Korchak, she's one of our top clients, been with us for well over a year at this point, and she is crushing it with our system. She's in fact had 7 transactions and over 3 million in volume within a 6-month period. And she is ferocious with follow-up. Okay, that's the number one thing that I would highly recommend all of our clients is be on LinkedIn and follow up, follow up, follow up. She was meeting with 3 to 4 people a week at a certain point. If you're able to do that, then you are going to be definitely higher in the ability to convert these people to actual sales. Also, she wasn't even using long-term follow-up. She wasn't even leveraging the data that we can provide. This is just from direct messaging and setting appointments. Now look at this. I have over 15,000 connections on LinkedIn right now. One of the best parts about LinkedIn, about our system, is that we can download all that data and send it to you as a CSV file for you to use however you wish. You can upload them into what your preferred CRM. You put them in a MailChimp and send out monthly market newsletters, market snapshots, whatever you want, but you can stay in front of them via email, right? Or when you go to the next level, you can even upload them to YLopo or as a custom audience on the Facebook, and you can retarget them on Facebook. So now these folks are seeing you not only on LinkedIn, but also via email and Facebook. So that when they do choose to buy or sell a home, they're going to be thinking about you. You're going to be top of mind. So the number one value that our clients love us for is the direct messaging, the direct business, the direct organic relationships that we make for you. The second most valuable component is the data. 600 plus new contacts a month is huge. And the third most important part is the branding. Now, branding is really important. So I used to work for Gallup, and we did this big meta-analysis years ago that was studying which companies are able to withstand a recession, which ones are recession-proof. And the key takeaway was that the companies that established a brand, that invested money in their brand, were the ones that were able to sustain a recession. Now, so Coca-Cola, Pepsi, all of those are big brands. Those companies survive recessions very well. Now, that's different than real estate. But what I like to make this akin to is I believe acquiring leads, buying leads on Zillow, buying leads on Facebook. That's not a very good way to build a brand. I think building a brand is building out a network, establishing yourself as a professional from within that network, and then following up on a regular basis. So they see you everywhere, right? So if we're getting you 600 new connections a month on LinkedIn, they're seeing you on LinkedIn, and they're seeing you via email, and they're seeing you via Facebook. They are going to be thinking about you for sure when they're looking to buy or sell a home. I mean, I just posted recently that we sold a house in Santa Barbara. I had over 6,000 views on this post. 6,000. If you were to put that on Facebook, you have to pay hundreds of dollars in order to get that sort of exposure. But LinkedIn does that organically.
I just react to the truth. And then that truth at this moment, not next year, not last year, at this exact second, there's a huge arbitrage of organic reach within LinkedIn that I have a funny feeling.
But you have to put native content, you have to build your network up large enough so that you have a large enough of an audience. So in summary, our system can generate hundreds of messages on a monthly basis for you. Those are direct messages, direct relationships. 2 is we get exponentially expand your database. And 3, we are enhancing your brand in a very good way. LinkedIn, I'm telling you is an absolute gold mine, and I want you to give it a shot and see how it works. So because of that, we're offering a current promotion where we can give you 50% off of your first month if you sign up within the next 7 days. 50% off your first month of our services, you sign up within 7 days. What I recommend is go to our website right now, MyLinkedSolution.com, and schedule a demo. Schedule a demo with our sales team. We can personalize everything. We customize all your scripts. We customize all your searches. We get to know who you are, and we customize our entire campaigns to fit your personality and to fit your business. So go to MyLinkedSolution, schedule your own discovery call, schedule a demo, and then ask about our 50% off promotion that we're offering for the next 7 days. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hi, I'm Frank Gray with the National Real Estate Post, and I want to tell you about my personal experience using MyLinkedSolution. I think if you asked most real estate and mortgage professionals how much business they get from LinkedIn, they'd probably say little to none, which is weird because it's a huge professional network. The problem is we're simply not leveraging this massive gold mine in the proper way. The reason we don't leverage LinkedIn in the proper way is because it's extremely time consuming. Well, MyLinkedSolution has taken care of this in an amazing way, and it works beautifully for both real estate agents and mortgage originators. The way it works is the guys over at MyLinkedSolution work with you to develop a campaign for you that targets a certain client demographic that you'd like to reach. Your campaign can be totally custom, or you can tap into one of the proven campaigns that they've used for many other real estate and mortgage professionals. MyLinkedSolution finds the contacts in your area that fit the demographic you're targeting and then asks them to connect with you. And if they do connect with you, MyLinkedSolution then starts a simple conversation with them in the LinkedIn Messenger system. When I started with MyLinkedSolution, I had under 1,000 connections, and I ran a couple of different campaigns. My first campaign was to get connected to loan officers, since they're my customer for my products and my show. And within just a few months, my contacts grew to over 10,000. Well, I've got over 13,000 now, and that's because I changed my campaign a few months ago to find professionals in my area who are in the medical field to see if I could drum up some business with my wife and I, as we've recently become Homes for Heroes real estate agents. Within about 8 weeks, we put our first deal in escrow from that campaign, and we're actively showing properties to other clients right now as a result of MyLinkedSolution. On average, I'd say I have at least 2 solid conversations a week with prospects that I got from MyLinkedSolution. The only time it takes me is logging into my LinkedIn account every morning for just a few minutes to respond to the incoming messages that MyLinkedSolution started for me. Look, in my personal experience of actually using the MyLinkedSolution product, I can honestly tell you that the results have been far greater than I imagined. MyLinkedSolution is the only product of its kind that will actually help you mine the gold that's buried in LinkedIn. Do yourself a favor and have a conversation with the MyLinkedSolution team today.